Hello everyone, welcome to next section of our video. In this section we will start seeing the development of our QQuiz app. So this will be a very basic app which I'll develop in Android Studio, and it will show you how you can build your apps for Android 6, Marshmallow, Android 7 devices. And the purpose of development of this quiz app is that the beginners who are new to Android can even understand the very basic concepts of how to develop a end-to-end app. Since now we have already seen in our last sections that how you can write a Java files, to understand the concepts of class, methods. You have already known that how Android Studio can be used, what are the different features, what are the different components that are present in the Android Studio. Now it's a time to develop a end-to-end Android app. So in this video I'll show you how you can develop a quiz app. So these are the various sections which I am going to cover for the development of this quiz app, and this will give you a very good understanding of developing an Android app, and by referring this you can develop as many of advanced level app. And anyways, we are going to develop many more apps which will be advanced apps and which will be executed for Android 6, 7 and now it's Android 8 devices as well. So the topics which I am going to cover for this quiz app are: first we'll see the introduction part, that what exactly this app will do, what is the basic purpose of this app, what are the project setup is required for this quiz app. So in the first video we'll just set up some initial project setup we'll do for the quiz app, how we can working with the main activity class for quiz app. So main activity class are the basic files or the class files which we'll develop for this quiz app, and how we can embed methods for quiz app. So now, as you have already known the concepts of methods and classes in Java, now I'll implement those methods for development of the Android apps. How you can access views for quiz app. So I'll tell you the concepts of views as well in through this quiz app. So what are views in Android Studio, how the views are basically used for Android app development, and we'll also work with my answer activity class for quiz app. So this is another class file which will be required for our quiz app. Different layout types and the relative layout. So basically what are the different layout types which are used for your Android app development. So I'll basically cover the layouts which are used in our quiz app, and I'll also tell you that what are other layout types available, so that in future if you develop some other apps you will have an understanding for which kind of requirement you need to develop which type of layout. So now next will be positioning the text in the linear layout. So basically for this quiz app we'll develop linear layout, and how we can position the text in the linear layout I'll tell you that about that. And accessing on click listener to a button. So how we can implement a on click listener on click of a button, because this is a quiz app, so this will have a button. On click of that button some answers will pop up, so we'll see that as well. And then last will be, once our app is developed, how we can build and run the app in Android virtual device. So I'll show you in Android virtual device as well as in a Genymotion device how you can just run your app. So let's begin our next section, and I'll just cover all these topics and you'll have a good understanding of this app. So thank you.